Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Holly, and today I just wanted to share a recipe with you for Italian sausage and rigatoni, and this is made in a skillet, but you will need a 19-ounce package of Italian sausage, and I'm using the mild, but we're going to take the sausage out of the casing, so we're not going to cook it like it is. We're just going to take the casing off. You will also need a 16-ounce bag of rigatoni noodles, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. You will also need a half a cup of shredded mozzarella, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream or half and half. You can use either, and a half a cup of roasted bell peppers. And I'm using this. It's in a jar, and you can also use a regular red bell pepper if you want to roast it, but this is just easier, and then I just chop it up. A half a cup of onion and 3 cups of chicken broth. You will also need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a skillet that has a lid, and then you will add your sausage, and you want to take the casing off of the sausage. It just makes it a lot easier to break the sausage up into smaller pieces, and you're going to cook that down until it's completely cooked. But you also, I drain off some of the fat just because I feel like it's too greasy, but you can leave some of it in for flavor. But that's completely up to you, but I just have a tendency to drain it off. And add your onions. And then I usually cook the onions down just a little bit until they're a little soft. Then I will add the red bell pepper and just mix it until it's incorporated. Now add your uncooked rigatoni pasta. Then you will add 3 cups of chicken broth. You will stir that until it's completely mixed, and then you will cover it with the lid, and you will cook it until your pasta is tender and that it's completely done. And I usually have a tendency to take the lid off during the cooking process, and I'll stir it again just to make sure that the pasta is getting into the liquid. And then just make sure that when it's done that your pasta noodles are cooked. Once the rigatoni is cooked, then you add your heavy cream or the half and half if you're using that. Then just mix everything really well and just make sure you get all of that stirred in. Then you will add the Italian seasoning, and you want to just spread that all on top, and then do the same thing and just make sure you mix it really well. Now add your mozzarella cheese on top, and you want to make sure you mix this in really well. You want that cheese to melt onto that pasta, and I usually cover it again with the lid for about 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure that it is completely melted. Then I will serve it with a vegetable and sometimes some garlic bread or both, and I'm having it with green beans tonight with just some raspberry vinaigrette on top and some salt and pepper. And it's really a fairly quick meal to make during the week, so it's something I think that you could absolutely do as a family meal when you don't have a lot of time. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in seeing more videos like it, I ask that you would please click that subscribe button and the notification bell, and that will notify you when I post new videos. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.